everybody, this time I'm going to teach you a new technique. This is called the 90-degree turn technique. It means instead of turning, you don't need to do that. You can do like this. First you make a normal domino line, and then we keep a domino here. And then we carefully keep another domino, and then we lean that. It may not, but then you have to leave more space. And then we are going to keep this domino, and if it want, it may fall, but you have to try it many times. It may not come. And then we keep this, and then we keep that, and where you want to turn, there you have to keep this one domino carefully. And then we are gonna to keep this, and again we build the normal domino line. So let's see. 3, 2, 1. Thank you.